I'm not sure how long this will be up, but if you need to find your friends on Twitter, on Mastodon, go ahead and go to movetodon.org, log in with Twitter. Then the second step is we're going to log in with Mastodon. So let's go ahead and enter in our Mastodon domain. Click login. Then we'll authorize that. Now the app will check everybody that you follow on Twitter and cross-reference it with their Mastodon account. You can go ahead and click on follow all to quickly add everybody to your Mastodon instance. This one was a quick one today, but I just wanted to get that out there. If you liked it, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech videos diving into Mastodon, productivity hacks, and everything tech. See you on the next one.